In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix and remove harsh shadows from a face in Photoshop. Dealing with shadows in photographs can be tricky, but with Photoshop's powerful tools, you can achieve a cleaner, more even look, giving your images that professional quality. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Photoshop and add the image you wish to edit. This step is pretty straightforward. Simply navigate to the top menu, click on File, then Open, and select your image from your device to bring it right into Photoshop. Make sure you have a backup of your original image just in case you need to revert back. Now that we have our image loaded, let's move on to using the Clone Stamp tool, a versatile tool that allows you to copy specific pixels to other areas of your image. Locate the Clone Stamp tool in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. It might be nested with other tools, so if you don't see it immediately, just click and hold until you find it. Once you've selected it, keep an eye on the options bar at the top. You'll see settings such as brush size and opacity. Adjust these to suit the area you're working on. Generally, a medium-sized soft brush works well for skin. With the Clone Stamp tool ready, we need to set a source point, which is a spot on the image with the lighting and detail you'd like to replicate. To do this, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard or Option on a Mac, then click on the area you want to clone. Choose a spot that has even skin tone and is clear of shadows for the best results. Now comes the fun part, removing those harsh shadows. Gently drag the tool across the areas of the face that are in shadow. You'll notice how the pixels from your source point get applied, blending out those unwanted shadows. Be patient and take your time here. If you do make a mistake, remember, Photoshop allows for limitless undo actions, so simply press Ctrl plus Z or Command plus Z on a Mac to correct it. Once you've touched up an area, it can be helpful to adjust your brush size and continue the process, making sure to frequently source new points to maintain a natural look. Repeating this process over the areas affected by harsh shadows will ensure a seamless blend with the surrounding skin. And there you have it. With some patience and practice using the Clone Stamp tool, you can effectively remove unsightly harsh shadows from faces, resulting in a more polished and professional photograph. Keep exploring these techniques, and soon you'll feel confident in retouching images like a pro. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video.